In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Gemini to convert an image into a text. So I'm going to have this image that has multiple texts. You can see it has one complete page of text, and I want to convert it into text. Okay, so we can just come over back to Google Gemini, and we can come to File, and I can upload this file because I have just downloaded it. So I go to download, and I can see it over here. So once I import it, I can just give the prompt that convert this to text. Okay, so as it finishes to upload, I can just hit on enter, and surprisingly, it is going to do the wonders for me. You can see this is a text directly from the image that we've just added. So if you have any text, any image that you want to go ahead and convert it to text, Gemini is your best friend. You can copy over here, you can regenerate this, or you can go ahead and listen to the voiceover from this text, or you can convert it to voiceover if you're interested. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.